I'll show you how to create an email address that matches your domain. Let's go back to our original tab, and then click the drop down here next to Website Builder. Go ahead and select Hostinger Dashboard. Anytime you're within the Hostinger dashboard, the website you've just created will live under your websites list. When you need to edit your site, you can use this button right here. But to set up the professional email, visit Emails in the left-hand pane. On the right, you'll have two options. You can start with a free business email, or you can do the business starter email for just 39 cents a month. Upgrading will offer you more storage, more forwarding rules, and more email aliases, in addition to advanced protections. But if you're on a budget, you can start here for free. In the Select Domain field, make sure your custom domain is selected, and then you can click Confirm. This will show your business starter free trial, and you can start with this button here. For the email name, you might enter something sort of generic, such as info or contact. But I'll use my first name, more personal, dan@frameandwander.com. Then you can enter a new password. Then just click Create. For this mailbox, I'll just use the browser. And when you're ready to log in, you can open the login in a new tab. That will bring you to the Hostinger webmail site, and you can enter the password that you just created. Click Login, and then you're all set. This is how you'll access your professional email using your custom domain.